As a content creator on YouTube who uploads videos regularly, it's really important to be able to back up your projects, as losing them can cost you days or even months of work. Before, I used to back up my projects on multiple hard drives, which resulted in irregular backups and can also get expensive and messy over time. However, after looking at reviews online of different content creators talking about the NAS DXP 4800 Pro by UGREEN, I went ahead and bought one for myself, and honestly, it's been the best decision I've ever made. Now, a NAS works like cloud, like Dropbox or Google Drive, but stores all of that data locally and safely on your own hard drives, making it more cost-effective and keeping your data secure. Now, before I was very hesitant about getting a NAS as the setup seemed really intimidating, but finally there is a company that makes setting up your NAS super easy and quick. Now, in this video, I will share with you the reasons why you should get the NAS DXP 4800 Pro from UGREEN and how you can use it to optimize your workflow as a content creator. Now, this video is not sponsored by UGREEN. I actually bought the first UGREEN NAS with my own money. However, 2 months later, UGREEN reached out and asked if I was interested in making a video, which I had planned to do anyways, and they actually sent me another unit that I can also use to back up my first NAS. Now, NAS stands for Network Attached Storage, and like I mentioned, it's basically a hard drive that connects to your home network instead of directly to your computer. And this means any device like your MacBook or phone can access the files stored on it. Kind of like your own personal cloud, except that the data stays in your home rather than on someone else's server. And because it's connected to your network, you can access it from anywhere in the world, which I find really handy when traveling. Now, you can do this either through the UGREEN NAS app on your phone or by logging into the web interface from any browser. So as long as you have internet connection, your files are always within reach. Now, at home, I just connect over Wi-Fi, which works perfectly fine for me since I don't edit directly of it. But if you're looking for faster transfer speed or are even thinking about editing directly of the NAS, you have the option to connect via Ethernet with support for up to 2.5 gigabits or even 10 gigabit speed. Now, before we dive into the reasons for picking this NAS, let's quickly go over some of the key features. First up is storage. It supports up to 144 terabytes across 4 hard drive bays and 2 SSD slots. UGREEN provided me with 4 4-terabyte drives, making it a total of 16 terabytes of storage. Now, keep in mind that the hard drives are sold separately. Also, you'll find a list of compatible drives on the UGREEN website, which I'll leave a link below. Now, my primary NAS is set up with 128 terabytes as I have many video projects saved from over the years. So I'll definitely need more drives if I want to back up my primary NAS to the secondary NAS that I just got. Now, it also runs on an Intel Core i3 processor with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now, for transfer, like I mentioned, it comes with 10 gigabits and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet ports. Personally, I like to use a wireless connection. I have my NAS set up in a closet next to my router, and since my workspace is in the living room, running an Ethernet cable all the way through the room would just get in the way. But if I'm moving multiple projects at once or dealing with files over 1 terabyte, I'll switch to the 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet connection. Now, since I'm using an M1 MacBook Pro, all I need is a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet adapter and cable, which is fairly affordable and still keeps the setup nice and simple while offering much faster transfer speed. If you need the 10 gigabit connection for even higher speed transfer, or you want to edit off the NAS, keep in mind that the setup is more advanced and more costly, requiring additional equipment such as a 10 gigabit network switch and potentially an Ethernet adapter depending on your computer. It also supports RAID, which basically means your data is automatically protected across multiple devices. Now, I personally recommend RAID 5, which is what I have set up, so if one drive fails, you won't lose anything. So let's now get into the reasons why I chose this NAS. So the first reason is the smooth and easy setup. The drive installation is tool-free, meaning I don't need any screws. I simply place the drive into the tray and slide it into the bay. This also makes swapping hard drives simple and quick. Now, the setup process is also very straightforward. You can just follow the step-by-step system guide to get your drive set up and start using it right away. The operating system is also super clean and simple and was really easy for me to understand and navigate right from the start. Next up is how simple and fast it is to upload and backup files to the UGREEN NAS. Now, you might have experienced running out of storage or forgetting to bring an extra SD card while out shooting. With the UGREEN NAS app, you can connect your camera or SD card to your iPhone and upload your footage directly to the NAS from anywhere. And once everything is uploaded, you can just delete the footage from your camera and continue shooting without worrying about running out of space. And if you're collaborating with an editor, you can give them access to the folder where you uploaded your footage so they can start working on it directly. What's also really cool is that you can set up an automated backup for your iPhone photos and videos so you never have to think about it. Instead of relying on iCloud, you can save on that subscription and have everything automatically backed up to the UGREEN NAS. I also like to use the NAS to back up completed video projects. Whenever I finish a project on my main drive, I copy it over to the NAS for a full backup. And compared to Google Drive, the upload speed is significantly faster. I tested it with the same files on both, and the difference is pretty noticeable. So now that I have two UGREEN NAS units, I can connect them together so that my primary NAS automatically backs up the secondary one. So between my main G-Speed drive where I edit, my primary NAS, and the secondary NAS, I have 3 copies of everything. Now that might sound like overkill, and it might be for some of you, but when you have years worth of projects on the line, you really can't be too safe. Now, ideally, you keep the second NAS in a different location, like at a family member's place, so that in the worst case scenario, whether that's a fire or someone breaks in or anything else, your data is still safe somewhere else. Another really cool feature, and one of the reasons I wanted this UGREEN NAS, is the AI-powered photo management. My girlfriend and I have a ton of photos, and sorting them manually would have taken us forever. With the AI-powered photo management, the NAS automatically recognizes faces, objects, and scenes, sorting them accordingly, so it's much easier to find specific photos. It even has a location feature showing me the places I've been to along with the photos taken there. You can also create your own albums with a few different options on how to put them together. It also features a duplicate photo cleaner, which has saved us a lot of storage space by automatically removing similar or duplicated photos. And the best part of all is that it is completely private. Your photos are stored locally on your own drives, unlike services like Google Photo or iCloud, where your personal memories sit on someone else's server. Next, as a content creator working with different brands, it's important that I can easily share drafts and final video files with them for review. With the UGREEN NAS, this is super simple. Within their web interface, I can right-click on the file I want to share, and I get a few different options. I can choose whether it's for an external or internal user, set how long they have access to the link, or leave it permanent, allow or restrict downloading, set a password, and even limit the numbers of visits. This adds a lot more security when sharing files with clients. It then generates a link that you can send directly. And if you ever need to make changes, the sharing management settings allows you to adjust or delete these links at any time. Now, before I used Frame.io, which is a cloud-based platform that lets you share video files with clients for review. But it's subscription-based, and while it does have more features, I honestly didn't need most of them. The UGREEN NAS gives me everything I actually use without the monthly cost. So after using the UGREEN NAS for 2 months, I can clearly say that it has optimized my workflow as a content creator. Now, whether you're a content creator looking to back up your projects, wanting to organize and protect your videos and photos, or just someone who wants a secure and private alternative to cloud storage, the DXP 4800 Pro has something for everyone. The NAS is priced at $679.99, and while that is an investment upfront, when you factor in that you're no longer paying for monthly fees for iCloud, Google Drive, or any other cloud service, it pays for itself over time. Now, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below where you can check it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.